Walking into a room full of people discussing high-yield index funds, tax loss harvesting, and asset allocation can feel completely paralyzing when you do not understand the basic foundation of how money works. Most individuals spend their entire adult lives moving to the world with a deep, quiet sense of financial insecurity, carrying an underlying anxiety that they are always just one major unexpected expense away from a total personal disaster. This lack of confidence usually stems from a childhood where money was either treated as a toxic taboo topic or was a root cause of constant household arguments, leaving them to navigate the incredibly complex modern financial system completely on their own through trial and error. The good news is that financial confidence is not an innate talent that you are mysteriously born with. It is a learned skill that anyone can develop from absolute scratch. It is built by taking deliberate, systematic actions that replace your emotional anxiety with mathematical clarity, turning your daily relationship with money from a source of constant panic into a source of immense personal power and freedom. Face your current financial reality without self-blame. The single biggest barrier to building genuine financial confidence is the heavy, exhausting emotional wall of shame and avoidance. When you know your finances are disorganized, your credit card balances are quietly creeping up, or your savings account is virtually non-existent, the natural human psychological response is to pull away and look the other way entirely. You stop checking your mobile banking applications. You leave physical bills unopened on the kitchen counter. You actively avoid calculating your total net worth because facing the true numbers feels far too painful. Breaking this cycle requires you to step up, sit down with your screens, and conduct an absolute, judgment-free audit of your exact modern situation. Write down every single dollar you currently owe to creditors, every dollar you have to your name, and exactly where your cash went over the last 30 days. This detailed exercise is not about beating yourself up for past mistakes or feeling guilty about bad spending choices. It is entirely about establishing a clear, factual baseline so you can move forward using logic and data rather than blind fear and stressful guesswork. Master the language of the wealthy one step at a time. The financial industry is notorious for utilizing overly complex jargon, confusing abbreviations, and dry terminology that makes everyday hard-working people feel like they simply are not smart enough to manage their own capital. This confusion is often completely intentional, designed by massive corporations to keep you dependent on expensive financial products, high-fee managed funds, and predatory sales-driven advisors. Building genuine confidence from absolute scratch requires you to systematically demystify this confusing language by committing to just 15 minutes of daily financial education. Start by defining simple, core concepts like the actual difference between an asset and a liability, how compound interest can work for you or against you, or how a basic low-cost index fund operates. Think of personal finance as a foreign language. You do not need to become a master overnight. You just need to learn the core vocabulary so you can comfortably advocate for yourself, ask the right questions, and make independent choices based on actual understanding rather than blind intimidation. Secure a quick psychological win with an emergency starter fund. Confidence is fueled by tangible, real-world progress, and nothing builds positive momentum faster than seeing a physical cushion of cash protecting your household for the very first time. If you are currently facing a mountain consumer debt or have a long history of living paycheck to paycheck, try to plan for a retirement that is 30 years away feels completely disconnected, overwhelming, and unrealistic. Instead of worrying about the distant future, narrow your entire mental focus down to a single, immediate micro goal. Saving your first $1,000 in a separate, untouched emergency account. Reaching the specific milestone acts as a powerful psychological circuit breaker, proving to your own mind that you are completely capable of creating a surplus and living below your means. Having that starter fund tucked away changes your entire daily posture, because you know that if a minor crisis hits tomorrow, you have the financial power to handle it immediately with cash rather than relying on credit cards. Create a proactive blueprint for consistently directing your money. A massive source of daily financial anxiety comes from living a highly reactive lifestyle, where your paycheck hits your account and immediately vanishes into a sea of bills, impulse purchases, and mysterious cash leaks, leaving you wondering where it all went. True confidence is unlocked when you shift from this reactive state into a highly proactive state by building a simple, repeatable monthly money blueprint. This means giving every single dollar a specific, designated job before the calendar month even begins, deciding exactly how much goes toward survival needs, how much goes toward aggressive debt elimination, and how much is allocated for personal enjoyment. A proper blueprint is not a restrictive cage that prevents you from having fun. It is actually a liberating tool that grants you absolute permission to spend your allocated entertainment money completely guilt-free, because you know your future obligations and savings goals are already fully automated and taken care of. Establish a systematic debt elimination strategy to reclaim control. It is virtually impossible to feel confident about your financial future when a significant portion of your hard-earned income is automatically promised to credit card companies and loan institutions before you even receive your paycheck. Carrying bad debt is like swimming against a powerful current with heavy weights tied to your ankles, constantly draining your monthly cash flow and preventing you from building actual wealth. To break free, you must implement a structured debt elimination system, such as a popular debt snowball or debt avalanche method. This involves listing all your debts from smallest to largest, paying the absolute minimums on all of them, and throwing every extra dollar of surplus cash at the top priority balance. Watching an entire debt account completely disappear to zero builds an incredible amount of psychological momentum and emotional relief, proving to yourself that you are no longer a victim of your past choices, but the active director of your future destination. Automate your savings to eliminate human friction and willpower. One of the greatest secrets to long-term financial success is realizing that human willpower is a highly limited resource that easily drains throughout a stressful workday. If you rely purely on your daily discipline to consciously save money at the end of every month, you're going to lose that battle almost every single time, because the modern world is intentionally engineered to tempt you into spending instantly. To bypass this flaw in human psychology, you must set up a system of automated savings that removes your emotions from the equation entirely. Arrange for a specific percentage of your income to be automatically transferred out of your primary checking account and into your investment or emergency accounts the exact hour your paycheck lands. By making savings your absolute first default action, rather than an afterthought, you comfortably adapt to living on the remaining balance, allowing your net worth to grow silently in the background without requiring your daily effort. Transition your identity from a consumer to a proud wealth creator. The ultimate peak of genuine financial confidence is achieved when your internal identity undergoes a radical, permanent shift from a basic consumer to an active wealth creator. A consumer measures their personal success, status, and self-worth entirely by what they can buy, show off, and consume today, keeping them permanently trapped on a high-stress financial treadmill to maintain an illusion for others. An investor and wealth creator, on the other hand, finds immense satisfaction in watching their assets grow, their debts completely vanish, and their personal freedom expand over time. The moment you open your very first investment account, even if you are only contributing a tiny amount of money each month, you are officially changing your financial DNA. You stop viewing money as a scarce, fleeing resource that slips through your fingers, and start viewing it as a powerful employee that works 24 hours a day to buy back your future time, independence, and absolute peace of mind. Building a lifetime of absolute financial security is not about having a flawless past, a massive inheritance, or an insanely high initial salary. It is entirely about the consistency of your daily habits and your willingness to step up and learn. If you found these strategies empowering and want to keep building your knowledge to master your personal finance journey, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos.